Everyone, another cute thing that I like to share with you. I have the two piece of fabric here that 12 and a half by 12 and a half, the white and the red one, and I also cut the interface in the 12-inch square piece, and I iron in the back side of the one of the fabric. You can use the back side of the color one or whatever the main fabric you use. Go ahead and clip all around. It's beautiful outside, nice and sunny. This morning a little bit chilly, so I will walk in the boy to the school door, and all of a sudden I hear ooh, ooh. I look back, Brandon was cold. So I'm like, oh my goodness. I told him to wear the other jacket. He refused. He said, I ain't not gonna cold. Well, you know, leave it here 4 inches open. The longer you leave, it's easy for you to inside out. So go ahead, follow interfacing and sew all around to here and stop. Leave this open, everyone. After I sewed all around and I left it the area right there is open. Same old thing like I always do. Go ahead and cut the corners. You can trim if you want to. If you don't want to trim, it's fine. You can leave it the way it is. But I like to do this to make everything is nice and neat inside. And then on the side with the space that we left it open, you can do that if you want to. So when you're inside out, it's already lined out for you. And inside out. Okay, so everyone, after I sew top stitch all around and the rest side I facing down, I'm going to fold it in half. And then you're going to fold the opposite way like this. You're gonna make sure everything meet up nicely. So then you open it, and then you're going to turn into the red side is up. When the red side is up, you're going to fold in this way, a triangle. But don't turn the iron on high because you're going to ruin this whole thing. The interface and don't like it's too hot. So then I have one line right there, and I'm going to turn it this way and do another one. Open this. Are you doing this? Then you have, you see this? When you're doing this, you're going to fold it together. Like this, you're going to hold this together. And then you fold in this way. So you have something like this. So I'm moving this, all of these on the top of me, and then this is the fold. So I'm going to bring this down like this. This one gonna be very cute. You can put candy inside. You can put a little clip if you're sew. You can do that. And then you turn into this side. You're going to do the left side exact the same. Iron it. When you do with the paper, it will much easier for you because it's lying down. So it's good to have your kid practice on the paper. Turn into the other side, you're going to do exactly the same. So fold that and then fold this together, both of them like that, and then you can iron at the same time. And then you're going to move this in. Move half of this, like you see that one, and half of this. You're going to press. On that side, and then this one, doing the same thing. And then turn into this side, you see half of this, and the line you just did, do exactly the same, fold this in, and then this side, you're going to do exactly the same. So now at this time you're going to make everything is even. You look 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna turn this down. When you turn it down, you can see it meet up nicely on the top. Okay, that one side, and then you're going to keep turning to the next side. You're going to do exactly the same, turning this down. We're going to iron after. Go to this side, you're going to do the exactly same, and then you go into this side, you're going to do exactly the same. So now after that, you can go back and iron the flap that you flap. Later on, after you iron the whole thing, then we can clip it all together. Make sure the pointy. So you turn it around and you're looking for the flap that we flap it in and iron on. And now you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now you have something like this. I'm gonna go ahead and just clip in like this. Okay, each one of the white, the one that we fold, you're going to make sure you clip on it. And after that, you're going to do all together. I'm gonna go ahead and open this like this, everyone. Open them all like that. When you open, you can see on the between the white, it have another triangle right here. I'm going to fold this half of that triangle like here, this fold, I'm gonna bring into the center right here. And then this one, the line right here, I also going to bring into that center. But you can light it down like this, so you can have the full fold. And then from here, pick this up. It have the pocket inside. Make sure you clip on those two pockets like that. We're going to move on to the next one. The next one do exactly the same. You see this fold right here next to the white. Bring into the middle line right here, and then this one right here also bring it into the middle. You can fold it like this. That's why I'm laying this down here so you can see. Move it down to here. Okay, now you have it, then you can bring it up. Take the clip and clip it together like that. Move on to the next one. This one right here. You don't want to lie it down, you don't have to. Then move it down to here, but I think it lie it down, it make it flat and easier. And then move this down to here. And then take out the clip and clip it down. Last one, and this one. We're going to bring into, you see that the step repeat over and over. And on this side, move that down too. Make sure it's lying down. Get the clip out and then clip it in. There you go. Now this is what it looked like from the inside, everyone. And this is what it looked like from the outside. It looked like the orange, the lemon squeezer. Okay, so now you're going to stand it up like this. And then you put your hand in the middle and then trying to push it down. Go into this side, the side with the white flap. Push it down. Go into the side with the white, flap it down. Adjust the area and the side to meet your need. It's very pretty. You're going to love it. No pull, no pushing. So everyone, after you get into here, you're going to sew this two pointy like this one together. And then look at that, look on the side. Isn't that so pretty? And I use the interfacing and it push out and it hard like that. Okay, so it's not slimsy or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to sew this. I move this over here, move the clip out the way, and then I'm gonna go underneath the fold of the corners. Hide that. Going up one more time. You're gonna do that all around this one, and then this and this. This act the same. So I'm gonna go to here at the pointy. So just like that, you sew this together only at the pointy right here. You're going to do until you feel it's strong enough, and then you can make a loop and come out. I use cotton thread, so it's very strong. Go ahead and make a loop, and from here I'm gonna come out. So everyone, after I sew on these four sides here together, on this side at the pointy I'm gonna add the button, and I'm going to sew the button on. So do that to all the other three. I have done this and this and this, but I left one to show you so you don't have to wait for a long time. So on the side here with the square, but if you have to sew it in. So I'm gonna slide the needle just right at the corners right here. And if you want, you can run the sewing machine all around if you want to. You're going to do that to the four. and you don't need to do anything. So continue to do to this side, and then right on this side right here, and then here, right here, and this one, and you are done. So do that, everyone. After I sew all this sides together, I forgot, let's take the clip out so you can see. You can put so many things in here. You can put the candy can in here for the holiday. The thing in here, you cannot put everything. This is to show more detail on this. Look at that. Look at the detail on the side. Isn't that so pretty? Put the candy can, put any goodie in here, any good anything you want to put in here, or you can use that for your sewing room. So awesome. So make sure you do that. Put something in here, and then that's it. Put on the table for the holiday. You can change the fabric, any fabric you like. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to support my channel. If you missed any of my video yesterday, please watch the video, and so I can continue to share with you more, everyone. Stay safe and take care.